Welcome back, besties. Thank you for your support so far. Today, I made fluffy pancake for breakfast. Let's do this. To achieve my desired result, I used sugar, egg yolk, milk, which I melted in warm water, and also egg white, melted butter, some baking powder, vanilla flavor. You can use any other kind of flavor if you want to. And lastly, all-purpose flour. In a dry strainer, I poured in 250 ml of the all-purpose flour. I did the sieving to incorporate air and also get rid of lumps that might be in the flour. I was done with that, and then I measured out 1/3 cup of sugar and also 1/8 cup of milk, which I dissolved in warm water. I used 2 small eggs. I separated the yolk from the egg white because I'll need to whisk the egg white. In a dry container, I mixed all the dry ingredients. I also added 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I combined all the dry ingredients together thoroughly. Then I emptied the egg white into a bowl and whisked it until it became very fluffy. This took a while and also a little bit strenuous for the arm, but I did my best. I needed my results, so I had to do what needed to be done. So if you have an electric whisker, please go ahead and use it. I was done whisking the egg. In another bowl, I added 1/4 cup of the melted butter, the egg yolk, and of course the milk, which I had melted in warm water. I also added 1/2 teaspoon of the vanilla flavor and pepper. I'm Nigerian, we eat pepper, so I did. I wanted the fluffy pancake to have a spicy taste. You can do away with that if you do not want to. Then I mixed the liquid ingredients and the dry ingredients and gave this a thorough mix. When I'd gotten the consistency I wanted, I emptied the whisked egg white into it. This is what the egg white should look like, so you can have your fluffy pancake when you are done cooking it. Give this a very good mix as well, so you can have this consistency. Grease your pan slightly with butter, just small quantity of butter, and then start cooking on a very low heat. I cooked for about 60 seconds and then I flipped to the other side. My fluffy pancake is ready and it gave exactly the results I looked forward to. I was very happy. I served this with some sausages, scrambled eggs, and breakfast was ready. Everyone ate, everyone was happy. And my niece, she had fun eating. I mean, she was with me all through in the kitchen, so she enjoyed herself. It was a proud moment for her eating, where she also took part in making. If there is something I can do to make it even better, please let me know in the comments. I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, drop a nice comment, and share this video. Until next video, be good, be well. Namaste. Bye.